Hi students, welcome to online physics and math classes. Okay, I'm very excited to share this knowledge to you. It may be helpful to you to improve your knowledge. So in this video, I want to share to that topics or first one, light. What is light? What are the laws? What is the reflection of light? What are the types of reflection and laws of reflection? These topics I want to share with you. Let's come into the class. So before, first of all, we discuss about light. Light is a form of energy. Simply what it is? It's a form of energy. Very nice. Second one, which gives a sensation of vision, which enables see the world around us. So vision, which gives the vision. Okay. Next one, how can you see the object around us? So please understand, my dear students. So once you enter into a dark room, there is no information about the which objects are in that present in that room. You don't have a knowledge. So once in because there is no light in that room. Suppose if you use the switch on the torchlight, what will happen? That light is incident on the object and reflected from that object and enter to your eye, and that object, which object you can recognize by seeing the objects. So for example, here I draw that. So what is this? So first initially the light is incident on this object and reflected. This light is entered into your eye and incident on the retina. In that way you can see the object around us. Okay. So now we have to discuss about reflection. A reflection of light. A reflection of light means when a light ray is incident on a smooth surface or irregular surface, whatever it is, or when a light ray is incident in an object, and return to the same medium, So when a light ray is incident in a smooth surface and return to the same medium. So return to the same medium. So this phenomena is called reflection of light. When a light is incident on an obstacle and that light is returned to the same medium, bounce back of light. When a light is hits the object or an obstacle, that light ray come to the same, return to the same medium. So that is called reflection of light. Okay. Let's come to the types of reflection. So types of reflection, my dear students, please understand this is a smooth surface. When a light is incident on a reflecting surface and return to the same medium. So here that surface is very smooth. For example, plain mirror and still water. These are the regular reflections. So regular reflection. So another one, irregular reflection or rippled water. Okay, or wall. When a light is incident on the wall, that is called a irregular reflection. That is also irregular reflection. Okay. So irregular reflection. When a light ray is incident on a rippled water, that light ray is returned to the same medium. Okay. So this is the types of reflection. So before going to the discussion about the laws of reflection, what is incident ray? So the ray which is incident on the reflecting surface is called incident ray. So and reflected ray, the ray which is reflected or returned to the same medium, that is reflected ray. Okay, so the normal, so it is perpendicular to the point of intersection, that is called normal. So it is perpendicular to the reflecting surface. And what is the angle of incidence? The angle between the incident ray and normal is called incident angle. What is incident angle? The angle between the normal and incident, that is called angle of reflection. What is this? Angle of reflection. Very good. So now the angle between the incident ray and normal is called incident angle. The angle between the reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. So now come to the laws of reflection. So what are the laws of reflection? So laws of reflection. Laws of reflection means first one incident ray, second one reflected ray, third one and normal all lie in the same plane. So incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Second one, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection. So these are the two laws of reflections is there, my dear students. Once again, I clearly summarize all the topics in this video. So first of all, I discussed about light. What light means? It's a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. So how we see the object around us, I clearly explained here. What is the reflection of light, I explained here. So types of reflection, there are two types of reflections is there, regular reflection and irregular reflections is there. Next one, what is incident ray, what is reflected ray? So what is the angle of incidence and what is the angle of reflection, I discussed here. So next one, laws of reflection. There are two types of laws of reflection. There are 2 points. So that is the incident ray, reflected ray, normal all lie in the same plane. I hope that you got a clarity idea about reflection. So light. So I will discuss more topics in further videos. Keep watching, and if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. And thank you very much. Share to your friends. Thank you very much.